I'm so excited to come your way. This is the online training hub, and in this channel, I will be teaching you various ways in which you can make money online using your smartphone. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming across my channel or seeing my video, please click on the subscription button and also do well to hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime we bring up a new content, because following this channel will teach you so many things. In fact, I am not an online person, but when I discovered the power of social media, I was able to make so much money that I could never imagine I can make on social media. So I want to teach you how to make money with your smartphone. Just a simple step. So many people I know, so many people nowadays are doing recharge card, data business, but they are doing it the wrong way. So I want to show you the right way that you can do it. I want to show you how you can gather a group of people, maybe in your community, amongst your friends. You teach them this simple thing I'm going to teach you, and you can make so much money. The first time I came across this business was online. Okay, I met a lady that taught me how to do this thing, and she charged me just 3,000 naira. It was just 3,000 naira. So it was very simple and common. It was so straightforward. So when I apply what she taught me, in fact, I was able to make more than 100,000 naira within the space of some weeks. Okay, so I want to show you this simple strategy. As you can see on my screen, this is one of the commissions I made. I just woke up, to see this. Okay, so, and I also train other people to get paid. So many profits. There are so many profits in this business. So just stay put as I show you how, you know, to make money on recharge card and data subscription business. Thank you. Okay, you're welcome. So the first thing you need to do, okay, is to go to your Play Store and look at this app. Okay, make sure you download this app. It's here. Make sure you download the app. Let me use my tool so that I can show you. Okay, so make sure you download this app here, this very one, data plug one. Okay, so what do you do in order to download the app? Go to your Play Store. Okay, go to your Play Store, type data plug one, then you see the app. So after downloading, just open and do the necessary registration. You'll be asked for your email, you'll be asked, for other things. Make sure you put in your correct password, and make sure you also write them down so that you'll be able to have access to the platform after registration. So what do? Please, if you are asked for referral, just use this name. Just use a comma bond, that is EKOMOBONG. Okay, just a comma bond only, forget the other one. So this is my dashboard. I want to log in to show you how simple it is. So just log in. So log in. What is happening? So I want to sign in so that I will show you how to do the business. Okay, so I have signed in. As you can see, this is how the platform looks. Okay, but before you can do any transaction, you need to fund your wallet. Look at wallet here, this place. You need to fund your wallet. Look at fund wallet transaction, wallet summary, more. So what do? Click on fund wallet. So when you click on fund wallet, it will bring you to Monify ATM, automated bank transfer, manual bank transfer, airtime funding. So if you click on this one, it will tell you the amount. So just put the amount you want, continue. Put any amount you want, click on continue, then and wait for the thing to load. Okay, look at it here. So the total will come out and they will tell you what to do. Okay, they will tell you either to put your ATM card, then by so doing your account will be funded automatically. So after doing that, after funding your account, what do you do next? Anything you want to do, you want to buy data, come here, click on the network. Okay, maybe you want to buy Airtel, click. Then you want to buy plan, look at the plans that we have here. 1 gig for 200 and 2500, 10 gig for 30 days. So come to the different plans that we have. If it is Glow, MTN, anyone, look at, select the plan. Okay, then you put the phone number, then click, everything is set, then you send to the person. Even if it is cable subscription, look at the cables that we have. We have Go TV, we have DSTV, we also have Star Times. Okay, so that is how to subscribe for cable. Then after that, you click on the plan. Click on the plan after selecting the cable provider. Now I've selected Go TV. Look at the different plans that we have here. We have 1,100 naira. We have monthly. Look at all the plans that we have here. So after that, you click on the smart card number. Okay, provide your smart card number and click on validate cable number. Then your cable subscription will be done successfully. So everything is here. My referral, if you want to transfer your bonus to your wallet, okay, you can also do that. So that is just a simple step to doing that. If you need a training on this, okay, you can come to the inbox, tell me that you need a special guidance, then I will do that for you. Thank you so much and have a nice time.